Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Maserati Ghibli. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat and steering wheel to ensure optimal control and visibility. Familiarize yourself with the main controls, including the ignition button, gear selector, and infotainment system. Understanding these basics will make your initial drive much smoother and more enjoyable. To start your Ghibli, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal, then press the engine start button. Once the engine is running, select drive using the electronic gear selector located on the center console. Release the parking brake if it's engaged, then gently press the accelerator pedal. The Ghibli offers impressive power, so apply throttle smoothly for a refined driving experience. The Maserati Ghibli offers several driving modes to suit your preferences. Engage Sport mode for a more dynamic throttle response and firmer suspension settings. For a truly engaging experience, use the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel to manually control gear changes. Remember to anticipate turns and brake smoothly, allowing the car's advanced systems to assist you in maintaining control. To keep your Maserati Ghibli performing at its best, follow the manufacturer's recommended service schedule. Regular maintenance, including oil changes and tire rotations, is crucial for longevity. Also, ensure your tire pressure is consistently around 32 psi for optimal handling and safety. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy every moment behind the wheel of your exceptional Ghibli.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.